Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to get into these eyebrows. That's what you are here for. So let's get into them. I've been wanting to try eyebrow tinting for a while, but just been a little bit nervous about the risk of actually doing them. But I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. If it come out good, it come out good. If it doesn't, whatever, we know not to do it again next time. So normally my eyebrows never really grow out that thick, and I love to see girls with like thick eyebrows. So, you know, sometimes you just gotta spruce up whatever you don't have, right? So I decided to go ahead and try what I've been seeing a lot of people use. So we're gonna see how this turns out. Here's the product that we will be using in dark brown. It comes with a color base, developer, and application brush. In addition, instructions which states processing time for 5 minutes, but will be processing longer for 10 minutes. And it also comes with gloves. Start off with a clean face, and it also might be a good idea to go ahead and get your eyebrows groomed before using this product ahead of time. I have a link down below of how I did mine. Now let's just get this hair out the way and get rid of any oils around the eyebrows by using alcohol pads. The instruction says to use just a small little line of a color base and a developer separately, and then what you'll do, you'll use the brush that it came with and kind of mix it together. Okay, so we're just going to use a little bit because it's just eyebrows and not like I'm doing the whole beard or my hair or anything. So we're just going to go a little small strip of each one. My plan is to start with strokes from the middle towards the tail end and then go towards the beginning to have the gradual effect of darkening eyebrows. Whew. Yeah, here we go. Well, looks like we have some people to join me. We gotta wait for 10 minutes, Mir. 10 minutes! Go ahead and wipe this off. Alright, so I was able to get rid of the kids for a little bit, but let's see what we got here, honey. It's actually not that bad. Wow. I can see where I've made a little kind of mistakes where I've kind of gone outside of the lines of where my brows should really be at. So I guess the next time I'll just kind of be a little bit more careful with how I apply it, but it's actually not that bad. I actually really like it. It's like really dope. Hey. Yes. Boop, boop. Let me do some little soft poses for y'all. So yeah, I'm not big on makeup, so I'm not a guru. I'm just gonna do a little bit of eyebrows and a little liner so I can get some photos done, so we can see how it has enhanced my eyebrows. All right, be back. Yo, Will came up with this idea. Y'all the real MVP. Love it. So real quick, just wanted y'all to see what it looks like outdoors. So there you go. I'm out here with my kids and they're leaving me. Well, hope that was helpful for you guys and give it a try.